Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Art Whisper 88. This is a follow-up to the series of medium format gel prints, and on your screen this is the last pull that I did with the kind of a, let's see what color's name is, light green. And today I want to finish up this print with some collage pieces, and yeah, so I found some interesting pieces from my scrap box. And again, this is a fragment of a warm-up exercise on copy paper, and I find it very helpful to do some warm-up exercises with a brush or a magic marker on a pen and just do freehand gestures, and it helps to loosen up the creative juices. So that's one. This is a fragment of a stencil, and this is made by a brayer. This is a blend of yellow ochre and cadmium red. That will look good there. Now this is a piece of tissue with a warm-up exercise as well. Here's a piece of copy paper. I think this will look good here. And this was cut out from this piece, and I'm going to put this here. There. I think that's going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and mount these. Starting with tissue paper. And this little piece here. And then this piece. It takes a while for the stencil pieces to soften up because they have a coat of paint on them. But as soon as the moisture from the glue penetrates the paper, it softens up and it's easier to mount. And pressing it down also helps, especially the edges. It gets rid of the bubbles. Just make sure I have a good contact. Okay, so then this piece on the corner, I call it my cornerstone piece, because in every composition there is a cornerstone or a foundation, and then you build from that. It's sort of like the main character. Okay, then this vertical piece, which is a modified X. Okay, and then lastly, it's this fragment. Put this here on the edge. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and air dry this. And I'll be back in a few minutes and recap. Okay, everybody, it's been about 20 minutes with the desk fan going, and this has dried nicely. Let me show you a close-up. You can see the subtle textures from the gel plate, and combined with the scribbles, it forms an interesting composition. Now I went through my box of art supplies and I want to try this. This is made by Sennelier. It's called a 3D liner. What it is really is acrylic paint in a kind of like a squeegee, not the right word, a nozzle, kind of like a cake decorator. And here, let me test this out. Now, since the nozzle is very fine, sometimes it tends to clog. So it is interesting though for special effects, because it claims to create a 3D line, kind of like a raised line. So I want to try it out. I want to try making a line to join these elements, kind of like a sweeping orange line, like so. Let's hope this doesn't clog up on me. So here goes. Okay, it's a very vibrant, it almost jumps out of the page. And then I'm going to do another sweeping line like so. In a way, it's like a modified X. I like that. Just creating a few marks here. See, I've used this before, and I think this is already half empty because I like it so much. But I just thought I'd show you this product. It's called Abstract. It's 3D liner by Sennelier. Let me show you the final result up close. I think it's quite effective. Adds a little element of foreground and background because the orange line kind of jumps out at you. It gives like another interest, and it links the separate elements together. So anyways, so that's my little demo for this light green gel print with collage. And this is medium format. This is from a 12 by 14 plate. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope to see you next time.